In a land where birds of all shapes and sizes fluttered and sang, there lived a small, unassuming sparrow named Finch. Known for his humble demeanor and melodious voice, Finch was loved by all. One day, a devastating storm swept through the land, toppling trees, flooding rivers, and leaving a trail of destruction in its wake. Finch, sheltering in his little nest, watched as his friends were scattered and homes destroyed. The next morning, Finch found himself alone, his nest swept away. He looked out upon the storm-ravaged landscape, his heart heavy with sorrow. But as he surveyed the damage, he heard a familiar tune. It was his song, echoing from a distant tree. Finch followed the melody, his heart filled with hope. There, perched on a branch, was his friend, the nightingale, who had been blown off course during the storm. The nightingale, too, had lost her home. But she had chosen to sing, to share her voice with the world, to bring comfort to those who heard her. Finch was inspired. In the days that followed, Finch rebuilt his nest, not in the same place, but in a new location, stronger and more secure. He sang his song, loud and clear, and the land began to heal. The storm had left its mark, but the land learned resilience from Finch and the nightingale. They had chosen not to be defeated by the storm, but to rise above it, to create something new, something beautiful. And so, Finch became the symbol of resilience, a reminder that even in the face of adversity, beauty and hope can be found. His song continued to echo across the land, a testament to the power of perseverance and the strength within each of us.